The Soviet Project 183R class, more commonly known as Komar, is a class of missile boats, the first of its kind, built in the 1950s and 1960s. Notably, they were the first to sink another ship with anti-ship missiles in 1967. Design. The Project 183 MTB was designed just after World War II. These boats were armed with two 533mm torpedo tubes and were used extensively by Soviet coastal forces in the 1950s. The torpedo boat had a wooden semi-planing hull and was fitted with radar. Over 622 MTBs were built. A sub-chaser variant fitted with sonar and depth charges was also built, as was a radio-controlled target boat. In 1956, the P-15 Termit missile became available. The Project 183 proved to be a natural choice for mounting the new missiles, giving the small, fast boats great firepower for the size. The new combination was designated Project 183R, the first missile boat in service anywhere in the world. The missiles could be fired in sea state 4. A total of 112 Komars were built between 1956 and 1965 and served in the Soviet Navy, along with several Allied navies, until the 1980s, when they were replaced by newer, more capable fast attack craft. Export ships: Algerian National Navy 6 boats 1967, People's Liberation Army Navy 8 boats plus about 40 built under license. The Chinese also built a steel-hulled derivative as the Type 024 class missile boat. Cuban Navy 18 boats. Egyptian Navy 7 boats. Retired in the early 1990s, the Egyptian Navy built 6 derivative boats equipped with Western weapons and electronics in the early 1980s as the October-class missile boat. Indonesian Navy 12 boats. Iraqi Navy 3 boats. Korean People's Navy 10 boats. Syrian Navy 9 boats. Vietnam People's Navy 4 boats. Combat use. 1967 October 21. Egyptian Navy Komar-class missile boats sank Israeli destroyer Eilat in the first combat use of P-15 Termit anti-ship missiles. This was the first time a ship had sunk another ship using guided missiles. The 7th of October 1973, 2 Syrian Navy Komar-class missile boats along with an OSAI missile boat, a K-123 torpedo boat and a T-43 class minesweeper fought unsuccessfully against 4 Israeli Navy SAAR-3 class missile boats and 1 SAAR-4 class missile boat in the Battle of Latakia. Other Syrian missile boats fired missiles from within the harbor that mistakenly, or due to malfunction, hit civilian craft in the harbor.